Amigos at Senora Davis, here are your directions for today, February 25th. So first, I need you to fill out the communication form about the verb ear that we took notes on yesterday. How are you doing on it? And what do you need, any support that you need? And make sure you click the submit button here and at the top in Schoology. And then you're going to do the two assignments that you have today. One is a short leger or reading activity. And remember with these puzzle piece activities, you can do them twice. So if you don't do well the first time, see what you did incorrectly and do it again. But you're going to fill in the blanks here with a different form of ear. So look for what subject comes before the blank, or maybe directly after it if it's a question, and fill in that blank. We've got boy, vas, va, vamos, or van are going to fill in all 11 of these blanks, submit it, and check your answers. Then you're going to do an edge elastic activity. It'll show up in this window here. If it doesn't, then you can click the link to open it in a separate window. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill in the blank with a form of ear. So some of them I have multiple choice drop-down arrows, and some of them you're going to type. So you're going to just choose which form of ear goes in the blank. So our subject is usted, so I'm going to use va. And then you're going to decide, do I use al or do I use ala? And remember, al is what happens if we have the word a and el next to each other. So gimnasio is el gimnasio. So when I have an a before that, I have to change that to al. So I'll do that and I'll move on to the next question. They're all either drop down arrows like that or they're fill in the blank like this. So now instead of having drop down arrows, I have to just type it in. So for the yo form for ear, I'm going to choose boy. In the next blank, I need to decide al or ala. And again, we have a masculine word here, el baño. So I'm going to say voy a el baño, but the a and the el combine to make al. And I'll move on to my next activities, and they will be the same. Once you finish with that, you'll click Submit Assignment in Schoology. Remember, we are working on this today and tomorrow, and then we will quiz on it on Monday of next week. If you have any questions or issues, please let me know. Adios.